Bedrock Rancher here. Been getting some questions about our log arch here. Built this thing about 20 years ago. Works real good for moving logs out. Smoking Joe did a quick little resto on it. Wire wheeled it, painted her up. And put some new rubber on it, new winch. But this is how we move logs in the forest when they're in there good and deep. This is our tiny little teeny weeny tractor. It's a Shibura 1340. I know the hood says 1140, but it's not the original hood. 13 horse little tractor, 4x4. Good, solid, heavy little tank. A pull like a horse. And that's our log arch. I will shoot some more video of this little bad boy in action, but this is how we move logs around in tight spaces. Alrighty.